Good morning. Welcome to my workshop again. Today we're going to talk about the repairs that I recently made to the router, in which I rebuilt the guide rails. Obviously, wasn't really a rebuild. What I did was I just took and re-drilled the mounting holes, turned the rails over, and utilized the same rails. Now the new surface is up, the old surface is down. The machine is all back together, realigned. Auxiliary spoil board has been surfaced, and it's almost as smooth as a new baby's bottom. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Surfacing spoil boards is not my most favorite thing to do, especially in a closed environment like I have here in Indiana right now. It's 22 degrees outside, and obviously everything's closed up, so clouds and clouds of dust. But we managed to get through it. What we're going to do now is run my little test program. I usually run a 5-inch square, and I'll check the X and Y dimensions, and I'm going to put a little circle to the center, and that will allow me to check my Z depth and make sure that the machine is all accurate and the calibrations are correct, and they should be. I don't know, they were good before, they should be good now, but never hurts to double check. So we'll run the little program now and see how it turns out, and I'll get back to you here in a minute. So it's going to get loud. Here we go. The actual measurements came out pretty good. Not 0, 0. However, they weren't 0, 0 to start off with. In the X direction, I was plus 4 thousandths. That's less than a thousandths per inch I can live with. And in the Y direction, I was plus 3 thousandths. Again, way less than a thousandths per inch. Probably about as good of accuracy as I can expect on the machine. If I wanted to, I could probably fiddle fart around with it and bring it into closer to 0, 0. But again, hey, I work with wood, so I think those are acceptable limits. The Z was within 4 thousandths also, and I did make a little bit of adjustment on that. But again, because I was only going 300 deep, so I felt that 4 thousandths within 300 or 0.3 tenths was a little excessive. So I did adjust that, and that is down to just at 1 thousandths now. So the machine is probably about as good as it's ever been, and I may go ahead and run a little file here. We'll make a video of it, and we'll just see how it looks and see what the end results are. But machine rebuild is complete for phase 1, I guess I want to call it. The next phase will be rebuilding my Z-axis. Currently I have the motor drive travels with the Z, and I redesigned it so that the motor will be stationary as it should be. In this case, it doesn't make a whole big difference, but it is an extra bit of weight that travels with the Z drive. So I'll rework the Z box, move the motor to the back side, and replace the router with the 2.2 kW spindle. So that's the next option. But before I do that, looks like I have a little touch up here to do on the paintwork to get her looking good again. And that's about it for now. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you again. Have a good day.